hell's wrong with that box?
Dallas? You're gonna have to hold your position for a minute. I've lost the signal.
You sure?
I'm sure that it's not there. I mean, it's got to be around there somewhere.
Checking it out, Lambert. Maybe getting interference.
Dallas, are you sure there is no side bit? I mean, it is there. It's got to be around there. Dallas?
Am I clear, Lambert? I want to get the hell out of here.
Oh, God, it's moving right towards you. Move, get out of there. Don't you move. Down. Move down. Move down. Get out. Move. Dallas? No.
Dallas?
You found this thing there. No blood. No Dallas. Nothing. I don't hear anybody say nothing.
I'm thinking. Unless somebody has got a better idea, we'll proceed with Dallas's plan.
What? And then don't like the others? Oh, no, you're out of your mind.
You got a better idea?
Yes. I said that we abandon the ship. We get the shuttle and just get the hell out of here. We take our chances and just hope that somebody picks us up.
The shuttle won't take them.
Well, then why don't we try straws
I'm
and
not
see?
getting these drawers. I'm for killing that goddamn thing right now.
Okay. Well, let's talk about killing it. We know it's using the air shafts. Will you listen to me, Parker? Shut up!
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
It's using the air shafts. That's the only way. We'll move in pairs. We'll go step by step and cut off every bulkhead and every vent until we have it cornered, and then we'll blow it the fuck out into space. Is that acceptable to you?
It's killing us.
Obviously, it means killing it. But we have to stick together. How are our weapons?
These weapons are fine. This one needs refueling.
You only got a few more weeks of school, and you'll be finished.
Josh, go over there.
I think next week's the last one, Clint. Week before, you got 2 more weeks. And then you'll be free. Then you go to the 2nd grade next year.
Ash,
All right, listen, you're doing videos, so go
any suggestions for me?
smash the
or
button
Mother?
and turn it off.
No, it's still coming.
I can't get up to the bed.
You're still cool, man? I find that hard to believe.
What would you like to do?
Just what you've been doing, Ash. Nothing. I've got access to Mother now, and I'll get my own answers. Thank you.
There's no more. That was fun. Oh my god. Để cô sống tiếp.
There is an explanation for this, you know.
You're rude. I want to hear an explanation.
What?